Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving to all.
Just
and if you noticed, I wore my Thanksgiving colors. Not so much here.
well, hey. Just wanted to say that we are very thankful to be here, to be able to have you guys as our YouTube followers. Very thankful that my heart ablation surgery went well.
Thankful for that.
Yep. And thankful for our $5.86 turkey.
There you go. Probably was $5.24 last year, but
yeah.
yeah.
So anyways, we just wanted to say, hey, happy Thanksgiving. We hope you all have an awesome Thanksgiving holiday, and we hope to see you out on the road, and maybe we'll see you in Quartzsite coming into January and February. And we do appreciate you all.
Y'all tuning in and watching us and
being part of our YouTube family.
Right.
And just in case, I'm sorry, Dave, I gotta throw this in here. If you need any Christmas presents and you're going to get them from Amazon, we appreciate it if you go to our Amazon store, link below. And also, I have my Wow Badass Seasonings on sale.
Christmas special.
For Christmas. So check out that link also, and you can purchase some of our homemade seasonings and our barbecue rub. So, happy Thanksgiving. Oh, stop.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Love you guys.
Love you. Bye. Say goodbye, Karen.
Bye.
They ain't gone away yet.
Can you go shut
They're
that?
still in there. I see them.
They're
in there. I'm
shut
telling
it down.
you. They're in there.
Shut it down.
Shut it off. I don't know. They're in there. I see them.